Hey there, it's Sarah. Are you a man over 40 who's looking to dive back into the dating scene but feeling a bit unsure about where to start? Today, we're going to explore some essential dating tips specifically tailored for men in their 40s. From embracing your age and experience to updating your style and navigating online dating, we've got you covered. Stay tuned for our bonus tip at the end of the video. It's a crucial piece of advice for mastering the dating scene. Don't miss it. Before we unpack today's topic, feel like your dating life could use some expert advice? Book a free strategy call by clicking the link in the description or pinned comment. Let's dive in and discover these tips together. 1. Embrace your age and experience. Diving into our first tip, let's talk about embracing your age and experience. Imagine this. You're at a social event, and as you chat with someone new, you share stories from your past, insights from your career, and lessons learned over the years. Your confidence shines through, not just because of what you've accomplished, but because of the wisdom and maturity that comes with your age. This kind of confidence in your maturity is incredibly attractive and can set you apart in the dating scene. Now, picture this scenario. You're on a date, and the topic of conversation shifts to life's ups and downs. You talk about the challenges you've faced and how you've overcome them. This isn't just small talk. It's a genuine exchange of experiences that showcases your resilience and depth. The person you're with, they're captivated, because your life story is rich with experiences that many younger people simply haven't had the time to accumulate. This is the value of experience. It's a treasure trove of interesting, engaging, and relatable stories that can create a deep connection with someone new. Embracing your age and experience isn't just about storytelling, though. It's about owning who you are and where you've been. It's about walking into a room with the assurance that you know yourself well and you're comfortable in your own skin. This kind of self-assuredness is magnetic. People are naturally drawn to those who exude confidence without arrogance, who can share their life journey with pride and humility. Consider this. You're on another date, and a topic comes up that might be contentious. Perhaps your differing views on lifestyle choices or world events. Instead of the conversation turning into a heated debate, it becomes a respectful exchange of perspectives. Your experience has taught you the art of diplomacy and the importance of listening. This maturity in handling conversations and disagreements can be incredibly appealing. It shows that you are not only experienced but also emotionally intelligent, a rare and valuable combination. Furthermore, your age and experience bring a level of stability and reliability that is highly attractive. You've had time to build a career, establish a lifestyle, and understand what you want from life. This clarity can be very appealing to potential partners who are looking for someone who has their life together and can offer a stable and supportive relationship. So if you find yourself re-entering the dating scene in your 40s, remember that your age and experience are not hindrances but assets. Embrace them fully. Let your confidence in your maturity and the value of your experiences shine through. This will not only make you more attractive but also pave the way for deeper, more meaningful connections. 2. Prioritize self-improvement. Diving into our second tip, let's focus on the importance of prioritizing self-improvement. Picture this. You've decided to embark on a fitness journey. You're hitting the gym regularly, maybe taking up running or yoga, and you're mindful of your diet. Not only are you feeling better physically, but this dedication to maintaining your physical health also boosts your confidence. When you feel good about yourself, it radiates outward, making you more attractive and energetic. Now, imagine you're on a date and the conversation shifts to activities outside of work. You talk about your passion for cooking, the latest book you're reading, or your recent hike in the mountains. Your eyes light up as you share these interests, showing that you're a well-rounded person with a zest for life. This is where personal development comes into play. Having hobbies and interests outside of work shows that you're continuously growing and learning, and it makes you a more interesting and engaging person to be around. Personal development isn't just about hobbies, though. It's also about being committed to lifelong learning. Perhaps you're taking a class to learn a new skill, diving into online courses, or even exploring new career opportunities. This dedication to self-improvement demonstrates a proactive approach to life, showing that you're not content with standing still. It highlights your curiosity and willingness to evolve, traits that are highly attractive to potential partners. Consider this scenario. You're discussing a recent documentary you watched or a new language you're learning. Your date is intrigued, not just by the content of your conversation, but by your enthusiasm for learning and growing. This passion for self-improvement signals that you're someone who values progress and self-betterment, qualities that are inspiring and compelling. So, as you navigate the dating scene, remember that prioritizing self-improvement is key. Maintaining physical fitness and health, not only enhances your appearance and energy levels, but also boosts your confidence. Engaging in personal development through hobbies, interests, and continuous learning makes you a more dynamic and attractive partner. Embrace this journey of self-improvement and let it shine through in every aspect of your life. 3. Be clear about your intentions. Diving into our third tip, let's emphasize the importance of being clear about your intentions. So you're on a first date, and the conversation turns to what each of you is looking for in a relationship. You take a deep breath and honestly share that you're seeking a serious, long-term relationship. This moment of honest communication sets the tone for the rest of the interaction. It shows that you're mature, respectful, and considerate of both your own time and your date's. Now picture another scenario where you're more interested in a casual relationship. You openly communicate this to your date early on, ensuring there are no misunderstandings or false expectations. This honesty can be refreshing and appreciated, as it provides clarity and helps both parties understand if their goals align. Clear communication about your intentions, whether you're looking for something serious or casual, is crucial in establishing trust and respect from the outset. Honesty in communication isn't just about stating your intentions, it's also about avoiding games. Consider this. You've been on a few dates and are genuinely interested in the person. Instead of playing hard to get or sending mixed signals, you choose to be straightforward about your feelings and intentions. This approach can be incredibly appealing as it cuts through the uncertainty and builds a foundation of trust. Avoiding games means being direct and sincere. If you're interested, say so. If you're not, communicate that as well. Playing games only leads to confusion and frustration, and it's a waste of time for both parties. Instead, focus on being transparent and genuine. This straightforward communication can lead to more meaningful and fulfilling connections. Think about this. You're dating someone who always knows where they stand with you because you've been clear and honest from the beginning. There's no guessing, no second guessing, just open and honest dialogue. This clarity fosters a deeper connection and paves the way for a healthier, more satisfying relationship. So, as you navigate the dating scene, remember to be clear about your intentions. Honest communication about what you're looking for, whether it's a serious relationship or something more casual, sets the stage for trust and respect. Avoiding games and embracing straightforward communication will not only make you more attractive, but also lead to more genuine and lasting connections. Hope this video is sparking some ideas for you. If you're ready to take things to the next level, why not sign up for our free dating strategy call? Discover effective strategies to meet more women and boost your confidence. Check out the link in the pinned comment now. 4. Update your style. Diving into our fourth tip, let's talk about updating your style. You've been wearing the same types of clothes for years, and while they may be comfortable, they might not reflect the modern, confident you. It's time to refresh your wardrobe and grooming to stay current with modern fashion trends. Investing in stylish, well-fitted clothing can make a world of difference in how you're perceived on dates. It's not about following every trend, but finding a look that complements your personality and makes you feel great. Now, what you need to do is walk into a trendy store or browse an online fashion site, but you're not sure where to start or what would look best on you. This is where seeking professional advice can be incredibly beneficial. Stylists and fashion consultants can help you choose outfits that enhance your best features and suit your lifestyle. They can provide guidance on color schemes, cuts, and styles that are modern and flattering. Updating your style isn't just about clothing. Grooming is equally important. Consider getting a modern haircut, paying attention to skincare, and ensuring your facial hair is well maintained if you have it. These small changes can significantly impact your overall appearance, making you look more polished and put together. Think about this. You're on a date, and your appearance is on point. You're wearing clothes that fit well and highlight your best attributes, and your grooming is impeccable. Your date notices and appreciates the effort you've put into looking your best. This attention to detail shows that you care about yourself and the impression you make, which can be very attractive. So, as you prepare to re-enter the dating scene, remember that updating your style can boost your confidence and attractiveness. Modern fashion and grooming can help you present the best version of yourself. And if you're unsure about where to start, don't hesitate to seek professional advice. This investment in your appearance can pay off by making you feel more confident and leaving a positive impression on your dates. Bonus point: utilize online dating wisely. Diving into our long-awaited bonus tip, let's talk about utilizing online dating wisely. Imagine this. You've decided to give online dating a try, but with so many platforms out there, it can be overwhelming. The key is to choose the right platforms that cater specifically to men over 40. Sites like Match.com, eHarmony, and OurTime are designed to connect mature individuals looking for meaningful relationships. These platforms often have more detailed profiles and comprehensive matching algorithms, which can increase your chances of finding a compatible partner. Now picture yourself setting up your profile on one of these sites. Your profile is your first impression, so it's crucial to make it appealing and honest. Start with a great profile picture, one that is recent, high quality, and shows you at your best. Avoid using heavily filtered or outdated photos. Your picture should reflect your current appearance to set realistic expectations. Next, focus on your bio. Be clear and concise about who you are and what you're looking for. Highlight your interests, hobbies, and what makes you unique. Honesty is essential. Avoid exaggerating or presenting a false image of yourself. Authenticity is attractive, and it helps in finding someone who appreciates you for who you truly are. Consider this scenario. You're browsing through profiles and come across one that catches your eye. It's well written, detailed, and gives a genuine sense of the person behind it. This is the type of profile you want to create. It's not just about listing qualities, but telling a story about yourself in a way that is engaging and relatable. Also, don't forget to proofread your profile. Spelling and grammatical errors can be off-putting and may give the impression that you're not serious about your search. Take the time to ensure your profile is polished and professional. So now you know some dating tips. What's next for you? Discover 6 signs you're an attractive older man, or learn the best compliments to give younger women. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.